Alright, students, we will be running 1 mile today.
Alright, I'm gonna go do it.
That boy's sweating. He almost tired. That's hard work and dedication.
Thank you, Coach.
Your homework.
Wait, Ms. Fregosa, I had a question on the homework. Can I actually share it to the screen?
You know what? I'm still learning the system. Okay, I'm going to give you host privileges, so try it that way.
All right, thank you. You made me host?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, you guys can go off mute now. Look, I'm the host. No class. Teacher asked.
Wait, bro, what? You're gonna get suspended, boy. You're gonna get. Bro, you goofy yourself. You're gonna get suspended.
I don't know what happened. I'm back now. I can't figure it out. The internet keeps going out.
Oh shit!
Good at all. I couldn't take it anymore. This has to stop, I declare. Maybe I was making my problem bigger and...
What? Oh, I would do the dishes right now, but I'm in my online class. Yeah, I know. Can you do it? Thanks so much, Mom. You're the best.
Okay, so I'm just gonna walk. Whoever is doing it is gonna lose 50 points.
All right. I won't touch anything.
As I was saying, it's got a 54 giga. Get your hands away from that button!
Go ahead and move on down to slide 37, and we'll look at. What? No,
Why did everyone's internet just go out?
Push the button. Push the button.
Why is this happening?
Push the button.
No. This is just bizarre. Hold up, Bailey. Are you sleeping?
Oh no. Oh no. Where is it? Oh no. That might hit the camera.
It's a little more complicated than you think, because, wait, what?
Why's your video
What
off
the?
again?
What is going on with y'all's computers lately?
Negatory red leader, not happening.
Why is there a video logo bouncing all over the place?
Matt, she ruins it every time.
Can we try this candy?
All right, let me see.
Here, okay? Have some. It's really good.
God damn! What's so spicy?
You want to get on that 2K? It's whatever, dog. God dang, look at that girl over there. What girl? In them blue shorts. Oh, I see her. God dang, her booty. Oh! Greg! Get back, man. I wanted to think I did it on purpose. Want me to help you get out? Nah, bro, just let me swim. We pretending like I did it on purpose. Oh, so we planned it off. Okay. Boy, you dived in that water like you was an acrobat. Yeah, man, you know. Taking this evening dip is a must. Hey, when you come out the water, you should shake your head like this. She's still looking. Yeah. Okay, I'm about to flex my muscle.
Well, there's a challenge. You walk down the stairs, you skip a step with this thingy. You gotta look at it. My toes looking mad, but you can't see shit. All right, so I'm a.
Hey, you dropped your paper in there. Hey, you still got your paper in there, yo. Hey, you still got your paper in there, yo. You still got your paper in there. Do not do. Why are you putting it in there? You still got it in there. I don't care. You still got.
Did I say the secret word?
No, sir. He's back.
Who's back? What? What was that?
Man your stations! Red alert! Red alert! Take cover!
Take cover from what?
He's around here somewhere. There he goes!
What? Who? Where? Somebody tell me!
Some say he crawled out from the lowest trench in the ocean.
He's the saltiest of all the sea dogs. He's the most hated creature in Bikini Bottom.
And he's finally gonna get some hot nigga.
Ow!
That wasn't me. That wasn't.
What happened?
I did not.
What happened? Someone throw a water bottle at me.
Oh, come on, bro. Let's go eat. Oh, say less. I've been starving all day, fam. Y'all place right over there. Mama made y'all a nice dinner. Thanks, Mama. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Miss Adams. I can't even hold you. I've been starving all day. I'm finna bang. Blech. Bro, that's so good. I can't even finish it right now. I gotta keep it real with you, bro. Told you my mom made the best potato salad. But you ain't want to listen. Now look at you. Can't even eat it. It's too good. How do you even eat this? Bro, that food's so good. I'm taking that plate right there home with me. I can't even finish it here. I gotta have that at home. Bro, don't be embarrassed. You can stuff your face here, bro. You like family. I know you want to dig in. Just do it. Don't be nervous. Plenty more plates. We finna get so many more seconds. You right, bro. Bro, I'm finna get seconds right now. You want some more already, baby? I'm stuffed. I ain't trying to be rude, so I'm just finna hide it under all this.
Hey, yo. How about it, B-Dubs? Hey, with the gang.
And we. Oh my God!
Oh, Lord, man.
Damn, bro. You don't want to give me a concussion.
Uno.
Draw 4. Draw 4 more. Change the color to red. Draw 2. Draw 2 more. Draw 2 more. Draw 2 more. Draw 2 more. Reverse back to me. Uno. Uno out.
I hate you.
Check out how cool this can is. So you open it up and you slide this back and then you can drink out of it. But in case you don't want the rest of it, you don't just have to put it away or put it in the fridge and it'll lose its carbonation. What you would do is you'd slide it back, push it back down, and you can see nothing can.
I feel like you could have been nicer to me.
Oh my gosh, well I feel like you could have done 80 more things today than you did. I feel like I woke up and I cleaned our room, I did our bed, I cleaned the sheets, I did the laundry, I put your clothes away, I come in the kitchen, nothing's done. So I do everything, then I make you breakfast, then I get the baby ready, then I get myself ready. And what do, Michael? You just tell me I could have been nicer. That seems pretty nice to me. And you thought I was pretty nice last night. Super nice. Woo!
Damn.
Nasia. Nasia.
Ugh, can you shut up? I'm trying to make a TikTok.
What?
You're not even my mom anyway.
Wait, baby, we're joking.
What?
We're just joking.
Y'all gotta stop playing.
Hey Tim, can you help me take the boxes downstairs?
What the hell? Do that shit yourself.
What did you say? Who are you talking to?
I said she can do it herself. She's not my mom, bro. Like, I don't gotta do and slave away for her if she asks me to take out the boxes.
So goddamn
she a grown woman. She can take her own boxes out.
What the hell is wrong with you, bro? It don't matter if she lost her mind. You didn't got
It's just a joke. It's just a joke. It's just a joke. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
I feel like I should still up anyway, man. You already got me heated, bro. Like, oh, so you want to whoop your ass, boy. Stop kicking around, man. You almost got him.
It's just a prank.
Damn.
Just getting it right now. We about to head over there in a second. So, yeah. If you want, let me see. I think probably around 6 o'clock. Dude, what the I'm on the phone, man. What?
I got cold, sorry.
No, sorry. I was talking to Tim. I don't know. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. So, like, around 6 o'clock. Oh! Do it again. Don't fucking play with me, man. I know what you're doing. Stop playing with me, Tim. Yeah, so, like, maybe, like, 6... or 7, we'll be able to go to. Hold on, I'll be right back.
It was a prank.
Fuck. What's your problem, dude?
Now, if we look here at the graphic, we can analyze the infrastructure of the French government. Mr. Jackson.
Yes?
Can you please remove your hoodie and your do-rag at this moment, please? Mr. Jackson, does something appear to be lost?
Huh?
Mr. Jackson?
Oh,
Yes.
because I thought you would tell me to remove my hoodie and my do-rag in my house.
Well, this is dress code, Mr. Jackson. It's just, you know...
But how is this affecting you?
It's not affecting me. It's just dress code.
You're not understanding my question. How is this affecting you?
Mr. Jackson, please remove your hoodie and your headwear at once, or else I'll be forced to have...
And what you gonna do, send me home?
You know what? Mr. Jackson...
All right, Mr. Johnson. You know what?
You need this class to graduate.
I think I'm getting another call.
You need credits for this class.
I think I'm getting another call. I'll see you later, Mr. Johnson. Take care now.